What's wrong?
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
When do you feel the most beautiful?
Maybe when I'm dancing.
Into their back seat where their child was strapped into a car seat. I know, and then you took a chicken nugget from her.
What do you think?